it's Shawn here from the AV King. Just going to give you a quick little demonstration of what we can use for some video conferencing in your boardroom. So here we have the Huddle pod. It just connects here to this wireless USB into your NUC PC or your regular PC or your laptop to run a conference session. As you can see here, I'm talking into it now and it's popping up just here. And we can also just run a little test of the speaker just to show it's working. Just play that again. So that's coming out of there. Very easy to use. So completely wireless, just connects to that USB dongle there and away you go. And on the screen here, so at the moment we're using a 65-inch interactive display, and the camera we're using here is this Logitech PTZ camera, and this is the remote for it here. So it's got 3 different positions you can use. You can zoom in, zoom out, pan around the place, very easy to use. So that's on the desk here as well. And another little cool option is this little AMX soundbar, camera, microphone built in. So you can just sit that even on your boardroom table, and that's an all-in-one solution compared to these little separate items here. Thank you very much. Shawn from the AV King.